Hey y'all, happy Mother's Day. So I have all the kiddos here. Apparently they want to show me what they got. So we'll see. Let's start with son Kareem here. He got me these. This is for my glasses. Apparently I'm getting old now. That they worry that I'm constantly losing my glasses. So he got me a pack of these, I guess, to put around my neck so that I don't forget it, because I'm constantly going, where's my glasses, where's my glasses? So I got about 4 of these in different colors. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be looking like a old lady. Thank you, Kareem. Appreciate that. Look at his smile. Are you pleased with yourself, are you? All right, so let me see what else I got. Let me show you. So the husband gave me this. You probably saw this in the last vlog. These are some beautiful little roses. And then, what's that? Let me just pause right here. Kenton literally out of nowhere hands me this package.
It's for you.
Y'all, look at this. Are you serious? You wrapped it with a fast food wrapper? He thinks he's funny. He thinks he's funny.
It's
okay, you open it.
No, it's for you. Why would I open it?
Oh my goodness.
It's an Arby's sampler.
I wasn't expecting anything in all seriousness. I really wasn't, but
Well,
I'm not sure
that's the whole-
I get the whole Arby's wrapper. Ah, wait, what? You better stop playing. What? Look at this. Is this for real? Chanel? What do I do to deserve Chanel?
From Arby's.
It's from Arby's? What? I feel like I should be wearing something bougie to open this.
It's Mother's Day.
Are you serious? What? And I'm standing next to pizza? The insults. Okay, let's open this. Wow. Wow, honey. That's nice. To be quite honest, I was shocked. Shocked. And I know Kenton always does nice things for me. He's always gifting me things without asking. But for whatever reason, I was really shocked to get these Chanel pair of earrings, okay? And then I had questions. I had lots of questions. My first thought were, is this fake? Should I ask him if it's fake? Is that not rude? I should probably not ask him if these earrings are real or not. To be honest, I wouldn't have minded if these were knockoffs or, you know, the fake Chanel earrings, because I'm rather frugal sometimes when it comes to spending that kind of money. But these were the real Chanel earrings, judging by the packaging. And of course, later I did see the receipt. So it turns out he got these at Farfetch, which is pretty smart. Now, you know, Farfetch sells like designer jewelry or really hard to find fashion and also pre-loved items. So that's where he got them from. And you know, he did good. He really did good. So I was impressed.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm thinking about it, right?
Exactly.
I'm thinking about it.
Exactly.
Well, they are very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, honey, so I can give you a kiss?
No.
Can I give you a kiss?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm shy. I'm an introvert.
It is looking like, did daddy outshine me? Is that what he's looking like? He's like, what is daddy doing? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with your father. I really don't know, because I was definitely not expecting that. And
That's the point of it. But
I like nice things, but I was not expecting that.
you deserve nice things.
Oh, he's so sweet. He's so
Yeah.
obnoxious and
No,
so sweet at once.
I am not obnoxious.
You are very obnoxious at
I'm not
times.
obnoxious.
Y'all don't even know. And then also over here, this is not for me. This is for the kids. They've already eaten. It's just regular pizza because I want to show that you guys go the extra mile and you get me my own pizza. This is my own pizza. This is gluten-free and it's delicious. It is so delicious. Like, you will eat this and you will not miss regular pizza because the crust is made with like a cauliflower flour.
Yeah.
Right, it's really good.
Yeah.
As you can see, I've already had half of it, and it's literally so much less calories and no wheat flour. All right, this is from Khalid, son number 1. Sweet creation. Except I thought you'd want mommy to be healthy. You don't want me to eat bad things, do you?
What is that? You don't know what's in it.
All right. What, I can't open a bow? How many bows have I tied? And this one is tied. All right. You know what? We'll just slide it off. How about we'll just slide it off? Well, maybe not. Okay, we finally got the box opened. Dun, dun, dun. So, see, if I can't get into it, that's a sign that I shouldn't be eating it. Oh, that's so pretty. That's really pretty, son. That is so pretty. That's nice. Except, I really don't know that I will eat it. You know why? Is Oreos gluten-free? These look like they're chocolate-covered Oreos, aren't they? Right? They probably are. I mean, I guess it's not going to kill me to eat one. You see, that's the devil talking. That's the devil talking temptation. Because, yeah, instantly I smell them. I can tell they're, like, fancy covered Oreos, which is very beautiful. I actually wish like I had a lot of people to share it with, but that's why I have you guys. I have you guys. Come, Miriam, come try one. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, she's worried she has braces on. Rubber band. All right, come, Karimi. You choose one. All right, I think, yeah, you can't tell. Let's see, is it like chocolate where you can tell? Yeah, it's gourmet chocolate covered sandwich cookies. How about you, Karine? This one I know has mint. You'll probably like this one, Miriam. It's got the mint on top. Or peppermint. How about you, Karine?
It's melting already.
Melting?
At the bottom.
Oh yeah, that means it's real chocolate.
Smells like chocolate.
Right?
Smells like.
See, I don't know if I want any with Oh. If I have a stomach ache today, Khalid.
It says allergens underneath. This is wheat, soy, and nuts.
I know. That's what I said. As long as I saw it's a sandwich cookie, I know it's got wheat in it. But it's a gift, so I have to taste it. It's good, right? Why are we all eating it slow? Y'all on gluten-free and gluten-sensitive. Why are they all sensitive? Well, eating it slow like something's gonna happen. They're gonna explode. All right, Daddy, your turn. Mm-mm.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, because I can't eat one. So
All right. Thank you, Khalid. I want to get high. He's so awkward.
try to get you in the frame.
Did I get a kiss? That's a rare kiss. A rare kiss on Mother's Day. So we managed to take a picture or two outside, and as you can tell, no one was really dressed up. It was very laid back. They had a lot of schoolwork to do, so yeah, no stress. But I had a wonderful Mother's Day overall. That's how she looks. That's how she looks. Oh, just me getting a closer look at my crystal and pearl studded Chanel earrings. Can't wait to wear them. My husband is crazy. Like, why would he wrap them in that wrapper? Like, why? It still doesn't make sense to me, but he thought he was being funny. Anyway, I love the earrings. Absolutely love them. So we're making spring rolls. See, here's mine. Here's mine. Here's Daddy's. He needs a little practice, but we're getting there.
Mine's bigger.
Yours is bigger. It's not supposed to be that big.
I know, but
So obnoxious. And then we got Kareem over here. All right, so tell us what we're doing.
taking a rice paper.
We got rice paper,
Yeah.
dipping it in water,
Yeah.
real simple.
Yeah.
But if you're not, comfortable, it can get difficult. Like that one's not that soft enough, is it? Is it soft? You gotta really soak it in water. And then anyway, this is boiled chicken breast, seasoned boiled chicken breast. And then adding some greens. Typically they would add lettuce, right? And what else? Ooh, we're forgetting mint. I can get you mint outside. Let me get you some mint. And then we have shredded carrots here. And then he has the homemade sauce, which is
Nipum.
nukmam, the fish sauce, which can be a little salty and pungent, mixed in. It usually has lemon juice, right?
Yeah.
Lime juice, a little sugar, and a little apple cider vinegar, right? And pepper. So that's what's in the sauce. All right, let's get him some mint. I got a pot here of mint. You don't really need much. I'm just gonna take, I like the tops. The tops tend to be, a little more tender. Okay, I think, maybe we'll get another one. So I just take this inside, soak it in some cold water, wash it.
The second one is a guest suite, whatever that means, so it's not a house. There's also a one bedroom bath, but it has a kitchen, it has a patio, but it's $99 a night. And I see how Airbnb makes their money because in addition to you paying for per night, you're also paying a service fee and a tax fee, which makes it more expensive than the hotel. But it has a kitchen, and there are no owners living in the space.
So I'll let your mom look at it, and if she wants it, then we'll just...
I don't like to put too much. So I tuck the ends first. So that's what you were doing different. I tuck these. These go like that first. See? And then just press them down. And then this side, press it down. And then the shortest part, push this loose. Push it close. Push it close, 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 close. Voila! See?
Mine looks big.
People too much there. And the ends fold over and fold over. Tuck it in tight. See, there's no mess. It's a spring roll. So we're making a peanut sauce, trying to get it to thicken up. That's a big pile. I'm putting it on the table. You're gonna think you got a drinking problem. People already think you got a drinking problem.
All right.
P.S. Kenton does not drink, okay? He just has a skin condition. He does not drink at all. Hardly. Hardly as in like once or twice a year. And then that dark eye, for the umpteenth time, Habiba does not abuse him. I've never hit him. And even the doctors asked you? Yeah, at least twice the doctors asked him, is he okay?
Yeah, and I said I was okay. No, that everything's good with my wife.
Yeah, they keep asking about his eye. Like, does your wife beat you?
What's that guy? Jason? What's his name?
Who? Which guy?
With the bonnet and the hat and his wife, and he's holding her hands.
Oh, that young black couple, the guy who's like relationship expert,
Yeah,
so-called
relationship
expert,
Yeah.
but yet he was cheating on his wife and he got caught.
Right.
So then he comes on camera, clearly coercing his wife to be in front of the camera with her bonnet, claiming like, you know, I don't know. What was his claims? His claim was like they're working it out and his wife has found Jesus, or she looked like an abused wife. I don't know. So we got some hoisin sauce here. That's what's in here. And then we have Daddy's homemade fish sauce. And then we have over here some peanuts, crushed peanuts. And then we also have Khalid's peanut sauce to go with these spring rolls. Okay, so it thickened up really well. That's nice. This is the peanut sauce. Khalid made it! Yay! The Carini. This is an informal dinner. Look who came down.
Is this supposed to go there?
Yeah, you can if you want to sprinkle it, because we have peanut sauce.
So I ran out of plain paper napkins, so we're just gonna use these. And these are nice and fresh, because when you have all these dipping sauces, you're gonna need napkins. So.
Actually, yeah, put it.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all your lovely comments, and we hope you'll be back here in a few days on Friday. So I'm really working hard to bring you at least 2 to 3 videos a week, and so far we are looking like we have another one come Friday, so 2 days from now. And also look out for Mariam's birthday party, Khalid's graduation ceremony. I still have to do that. And also there's some hair videos. So yeah, we got a lot coming for you. Thank you so much again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you soon. Bye!